Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration and the area. So now I will show you the technique how to answer. If we want to wrap this function in here, the wrap should be like this. We put about s equal to number 0, so you got about negative number 1. S equal to number 1, you got about 0 in here. And location number 4 should be in here. And the graph should be like this. So if we look carefully, we have two areas, the positive side, the negative side, and the positive side that should be in here. So in this situation, we need to divide this integration into two integrals. So we will have the integral from 0 to number 1. We need to put the negative sign in here. S minus 1 multiplied with e to the power of negative s ds. And the second one, we put the positive sign from number 1 to number 4. So I will calculate only one integration in here. This one you can do by yourself. For the first one, we need to use about integration by parts. So you got about u equal to s minus 1. So you got about the u equal to ds. So you got about dv equal to e to the power of negative s ds. So you got about v equal to negative e to the power of negative s. So this one multiply this one. And this one you got about positive. From 0 to number 1. And we have the powers in here. So we put number 1, you got about 0. We put number 0 in here. So you got about negative number 1. And this one, you got about negative e to the power of negative s. So we put number 1, number 0 in here. This one you got positive. So you got about 1 over e plus e. This one is positive. So you should about negative number 1 in here. If we put this one, you got about positive. So we cancel this one with this one, and you got about 1 over e. Now for number 1, number 4, we do the same technique. So you got about negative e to the power of negative 4. We have number 4 minus 1, you got about 3. And this one 4 with number 3. So you got about negative e minus 4 plus e minus 3. Oh, this one is about number 1. So negative 3, negative 1, you got about negative 4 over e to the power of 4. 1 over e, you got about number 2 in here. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.